All right, family. Hope everyone is doing well. This is the end of September. We're about to go into October, the best month of the year, the month of my birth. Come on, man, stop playing. So, because Monday will be the final day of September, I'm going to do a monthly overview going into what I should be expecting for the month of October. Okay, we're finally getting out the month that they say is the hardest month of the year, or one of the hardest months of the year. So let's go through it. So I'm gonna go through, look really quickly at the monthly overview. Then I'll go down to the weekly, then go down to um the daily. Okay. So overall, you can see the Australian dollar has been weak. Okay. So as you can see overall, since 2000 and what? I say 11, 2000 and yeah, 2011, you can see Australian dollar has been weak. But for the past few, so you can see that it created higher lows, right? Created higher lows here. Also, it created some higher lower highs, sorry. Okay, so it created some lower highs. You can see I can draw like this if I want to. All right. Now we're looking for the breakout, which it did finally come out of the breakout. Right, finally broke out. So it's inside of the what we call a buy zone. So now Australian dollar is no longer in a downtrending market, but it's currently right now in an uptrending market. Okay. So that means that we should be looking for buys on a bigger scale. So we're looking for buys on a bigger scale when it comes to the Australian dollar. All right. Now let's look at the British pound. British pound, I don't know what all this stuff is, but the British pound was also, as you guys can see, was bearish, but now could be bullish. Let's look at it on a bigger scale. But let me just delete all this stuff. I don't know what it came from. Maybe okay, there we go. Oh, one more. All right. So you can see here that we have British pound, all right? From a monthly view, what happened this month? For a monthly view, you can see some major stuff from 2008 all the way down, or you can see that's always downtrending. And now you can't really see exactly what's really happening, but you can kind of tell that we have some type of uptrending market, right? Because we have some highs and some lows, right? So we have a higher high, but then it created a new high here, right? So we have, so let me delete this, right? So you can see they have a lower low, higher low, higher low, but only one higher high, right? So something has to create, right? So in the long term, we can't really see much happening, but because it's still technically overall in the large scale, the downtrend. But you can see here that it crossed to be uptrend of July of oh this is actually my mom's birthday, July 3rd, 2023. Right. So July it crossed to go back up. So for a year now it has been trending up. Okay. So for some so we should be looking for pullback soon because Australian dollar, right? We got these two bullish candles. British pound, we also got these two bullish candles. All right. We should be seeing now. Remember, this is monthly view. So this is a month. So at some point, we should be looking for some type of pullback. We should be getting some type of pullback. We don't know how much more it's going to go, but this is the overall look. All right. But overall, it's an uptrend market. Canadian dollar can see is consolidating, right? On a larger scale. Okay. So you can see here, the Canadian dollar, we have this. All right. So it's consolidated. This is why I don't like trading CXY. I hate trading CXY. Let's look at the dollar. So the dollar can see overall it's an uptrend, right? Let me draw a trend line here. Let's see what's going on with this. So again, I'm looking at a monthly view. Let's see what's popping here. Into the candles. Okay, so we have higher highs, higher lows. All right, dollar can see it possibly pushing all the way down here. it can't do that, right? So we can see it push down all the way to this trend line, right? Remember, again, we're looking at a monthly view, right? So we can look at this as well. You can see that this is a low, right? It broke, it can retest, right? So you can retest here to go back down. Right? This is what I'm expecting it to do, right? So now on a retest can happen on a when we're monthly, so that means that in the month of October we can see it push up, and then in the month of November it could push down. We're all gonna see this, right? But wait and see. Euro, not much really happening. Euro. See, this is why it's been so hard to trade these days. Because back then you can have some months that's going straight up, some months going straight down, some months going straight up. But now, right, for the past since February 2023, and this is why I've been saying that this is like a scalping market because of what's happening. 1 month is up, 1 month is down. There's like there's no really trend. There's no trend happening when it comes to the market, right? So you have to be, in order for you to be a successful trader or profitable trader, you have to learn to adapt, right, to what the market is giving you. And this is what the market is giving us, right? We don't have a straight, a clear trend. Look at here. We don't have no clear trend. British pound, right? This one is pretty smooth. Canadian dollar, of course, is not smooth. The US dollar, right, was not smooth till this month finally broke through. The euro, right, it's not smooth, so you can see that that's also consolidating. We got the highs right here. Let me make sure. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that's also consolidated. You have the Japanese yen. This was trending. Now push back up into the sell zone. I mean the buy zone, sorry. Right. So now on the monthly view, this is even look like it's about to cross. Right, on the monthly view. So the bigger picture. Okay. You can see SXY. Right. So XXY. You can see that this is bullish. And then ZXY or ZXY, you can see that that's also consolidating. Right. So a lot of these pairs are not clear. As you can see, like I said, this one from here to here, you can see that there was a clear downtrend. You could have sold like clear. This is clear. A lot of candles clear, clear. But now it's not much clarity. All right. Let's go to daily time frame. Let's look at all these things on the daily time frame. So look at that. Actually, before we go to daily time frame, let's go back to monthly and let's look at these pairs. And let's stay on the monthly look at these pairs. So the first pair we'll look at USD JPY. Right, so USD JPY, you can see it was it's still bullish, right? Our moving average tells us is bullish. We have a counter trend. It's normal. USD CAD, nothing's happening. Oh my God. USD CHF, right, is bearish, as you guys can see. USD CHF is bearish, but we got this big candle here. Wow. Euro USD, right? We had a buy stop in there. Where is that? Where is that? It's still around the same entry. The Euro USD, right? Downtrend, right? Looking to push past his previous high right here. Okay, if it's a did, this high. So now it looks like it's bullish because it broke the previous high, equal high. GU, look, it's like it's pushing up. Wow, that's huge. That's a huge push up. It's strong. NZD USD just crossed, right? For bullish. You can see here it just crossed. Ooh, that's powerful. Okay. AD USD just crossed as well, as you guys can see. Right here, it just crossed. And remember, this is monthly view. Gold has crossed. It's so bullish. This confirms the notion that I'm talking about, that if you're selling gold, you better be sure, right? If you're selling gold, if you look at this and you're selling gold, you better know what you're doing. Because to dive, it's like diving out of a plane without a parachute. It's like going skydiving, diving out of a plane without a parachute. It's called foolishness. All right. So now let's go to daily time frame. All right, I'm gonna skip weekly and let's go and see what the Australian dollar is doing. So Australian dollar looks like it's bullish. All right. This one we drew on the high time frame. British pound. British pound looks like, what do we draw? Well, we draw nothing. Okay, I'll skip this for now. Canadian dollar, right? Consolidating. Right, so it looks like it can go all the way back up here. This is good. Right, so we can see the Canadian dollar go all the way back up here. The US dollar was pushing down, right? It broke and retest on a smaller scale, right? So we should be seeing it pushing down as well, right? Now this was done by the higher time frame, the monthly view. You guys can see it there. Wow. So I'm probably going to leave it just like that, just like so. All right. So getting this done right here. Okay, so as guys can see, you have these lows. So okay, so I want to keep it just like this. All right. So let me label it. The monthly support. What is his name? Okay. All right. So we got a monthly support here. Right, we got the euro. All right, let's see. So that's a monthly as well. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Go to the daily time frame. So we have a broke, right? Previous high. All right. So this is good for euro. It's for it to be strong. Japanese yen, strong. Swiss. Okay, so Swiss is still pending. All right. So this one, I think I did this off of daily time frame. Okay. So this one it needs to break, and then so this is a um rectangular. What's a pattern? Um, it's a it's a continuation pattern. Rectangle. I forgot. My mind is blank right now. Then we have New Zealand dollar, which is strong. Okay, cool. Now let's look at these trades. All right, so I'm going on a four hour time frame. So these look pretty cool. So USD JPY, right? Based on what we see, like based on what we see, the JPY, we should see it trending there, right? We still see it trending. All right. So for USD JPY, we're looking for to sell. Let me see. Let me see what we're looking to sell. So let's get a particular trade in here. So what I'm looking for is for a short at so it's gonna be at the same level. If it gets there, because this is the only place that we have a low, previous low. We could also have a low here as well, which is would be two was it 250? Okay, so let's change this up real quick. So that's going to be at 250. Okay, so TP1 is going to look like this. All right, TP2 is gonna look like this. All right, and stop loss is gonna be right 143, 143, 450. Now remember, if you see these trades, go ahead and take it. All right, don't wait on me. If you understand this, you go ahead and you do it. Right? If you don't understand it, don't do nothing. Go to the ECA and learn. All right, so this is the first move right here. Let me take this off. So looking for a sell in this area, USD CAD. Right, looking for a sell. Right, same area right there. Looking for a sell, USD CAD. So the same thing from last week. 35,000. Okay. TP1 looks like this. 134,500 stop loss, and then TP2. All right. USD CHF. All right. So that one looking for a sell. Right. I'm not looking for this no more. Unless something changed. But again, looking for a sell. Looking for a short. Right here. At 84,000. All right. So let me go ahead. Let's make sure that's 84,000. Or 84,000. The stop loss, TP1. TP2, 83,000. Stop loss, 84,200. TP1 is 80, will be 84,400. 84,500, sorry. All right. Euro USD looking for a buy. Right, exact same thing, looking for a buy. Euro USD. Okay. All right. So this one, so I won't do no buy stop. I will do, see, this is why I said always wait for, I'm looking for a buy. Like, I don't like pen on notice. All right, GBP USD. So this will be the trade right here for GU. I mean EU. GU looking for a buy. All right, there's two areas in this particular example. We can go for a buy at stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. All right, so stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. Or we can get to a trade as a break and close, break and retest off of this high, right, which would be at 250. So I'm gonna set an alert at 250. All right, so let's go ahead and send an alert at 250 inside China. All right, so that'll be 133, no, 134, 250. 134, 134, 134. Every time set it and forget it. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna have an alert there, here. Here's what. Let's see something. Okay. So this would be other alternative. I don't like this one because it will be in the sell zone, but the one I do like is will be this one because it will be in the buy zone. So I personally don't like this one. I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna look for a buy inside of a sell zone, but I'll look for a buy here. But this is also an opportunity because there's a previous high, right? But I personally don't like this one. I like this one better. Okay, so this one is right here. You got all the details. I'm gonna send out the links as well, so that you guys can see exactly where everything is. Okay, so the entry is going to be at the top one. The entry going to be at 34,250. TP1 is going to be 34,750. Stop loss is the same. TP2 is going to be 35,250. All right, again, take out your own risk. Make sure that you follow the rules, which is on a 15-minute time frame. right? Off of a retest, wait for the cross of the EMA, SMA to be pushing back up to be bullish, right? So cross on a bullish trend in order for that to work. All right. All right. So the next one is going to be NZD USD. Right, so NU, as you guys can see, looking for buy. All right. So we have. All right. So let's see. Let's back test to see if this is even something that I would look for to do. Well, I'm just gonna pause and yeah, I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like this. So I'll hold off on AU. Let's see NU. NU as well. I'm gonna hold off on it to see proper. I don't want to. Here's a place we can get into. Right. I want to wait for more data with NU. I want to wait for more data. This would be an area, but I don't personally like 900. I don't like this particular. Okay, no, that is okay. No, that looks good. But of course, I'll wait for Tuesday. All these trades, I'm waiting for Tuesday for it to fruition or to flourish because Tuesday is October 1st, right? So, God bless family. Hope you guys have a great day, great weekend. If you have questions, go ahead and ask in the thread. God bless. Thank you so much. Peace.